Hey guys, it's Extreme 3D here. So I just created a new printing device, I guess, 3D printed. This is it. If you guys are new here, though, may not have known this, but I like to prank my brothers. I don't think I've ever showed you guys videos of that. Just respect their privacy, but believe me, I have this air horn, super cheap air pump. And I got this, I forgot where I got it, but it was like $3, and I 3D printed a little enclosure for it, and a thing for the bottom of it. And then this was all 3D printed, basically. You have a cheap little pump that was like 99 cents off of, I don't even know where I got it, maybe it was AliExpress or something. And I got this truck horn, tube going to it, and then this, and then yeah, so you get the point. That was with one hand, so kind of bad. 3D printed that and some cable management attachment things. Anyways, I got a new project. I'm going to show you the first prototype of this, but first let me explain what this thing does. So, we have a car siren, which is right there, and that goes through here. We have a battery pack, an Arduino, and we have a relay. And it's set up so that after 5 minutes of being plugged in, the car alarm will go off, and then it will stop after 10 seconds, just because I don't want it to take forever to turn off. So here's the first prototype, made out of Hatchbox wood PLA filament on my FlashForge Creator Pro, and super simple design. We got a little project box kind of with the top. And then we have a hole here for the battery pack. You plug it in there. Arduino goes in here, the relay goes in here, and then we have the car alarm that can fit in here, and then the wires go through there. Super simple. I also printed it in Hatchbox gray silver filament. I don't really like this filament too much just because it kind of shows imperfections really easy. Well, they just show up super easily, I guess. But I like their red filament. That's what I used for the lid for the second version of this. So we have those, but the problem was it didn't really look complete. I wanted this to be all-in-one system that was like really cool instead of a box that I just put stuff in, you know, because that's not really fun. So that's where this comes in. So this is all enclosed, completely enclosed. So what we have is differences. Let me show you. Here we have the first design, so you can see that this is longer, and it covers up the whole, and it's also a lot taller. So if we come over here, you can see that we have the alarm, the wire goes in there, and I have this tiny little panel that I printed that can fit right in here once you wire it all up, and you can glue it in. You can glue it on there. I just didn't glue it on yet because I wanted to show you guys this video, but once it's on, it's completely enclosed. So that's cool. Then we have a spot for the battery. This is something that wasn't in the first design. The first design, this did not go in there. You had it separate, you just plugged it in, and that was it. You could place it in someone's room under their bed. That would be the trap. This is different though. So we have the Arduino in here, we have the relay in here, and the wire from the siren going in here. We also have a little shelf for the battery, and then you can see this ledge where this lid is supposed to go. And then you can see the hole at the front and this little space for wires. So this isn't actually the lid. Well, it is, but it broke. This little piece broke off. Kind of a weird design, but this is what it's supposed to be. So it can cover up this hole. You also have a little slot there for cable management. And what you can do, which I love about this, is you take the battery pack. I'm just working with what I got. I know I could use something else, but this is just what I have, and I don't have anything else, I guess. So let's see. I can put this in here. It's getting caught in the wire. It's kind of, pardon my cough, I have cold. So slides in there, and then what I can do is route this cable in there, and then I can put the rest of that in there, and I can plug it in, you know, do what I want to do, plug that in. I'm not actually plugging it in now just because it's hard to do with one hand, but you guys get the picture. So once that is all in there, let me just show you what it looks like when it's all closed up. I'm just going to kind of plug it in, not how, I'm just going to put it in this way just because it's hard to do with one hand. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like when it's closed up. So I'm just going to stick this in here. Okay, so this is how it would look if it's all like kind of getting ready to close up, except the wires would be in there, and then it'd go through that little channel. And what I can do is stick the top on, and then there we go. So you can see that's not perfect right there. Could have, I don't know what happened there actually. I think it just kind of bent. But otherwise, now it's just a closed box. And then what I could do is set this anywhere under, oops, that's also supposed to be glued on there. But I could set this up anywhere, and 5 minutes from now, the alarm would go off. So I think it's a really cool project. It's very specific. Not everyone's going to want to make this. I thought it was a cool design though, how I got it all closed up. But please let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.